Hi, I'm Christy with ADU, here to talk to you about our new organizational series on how to load a dishwasher. This is a GE profile dishwasher, hidden controls, and it has 3 racks. When loading on the bottom rack, I generally like to load the bowls first, and generally in this corner right here. This gives it enough space so that they can get clean, and it gives you some organizational. Then I put the smaller plates there, and then the larger small plates there as well. Then we can load the larger plates. I have a lot of kids, so I have a lot of plates. Just put those in between all of the tines. So that's 9 plates and bowls. Then you can also do things like corn bowls. When you have the corn bowls, I like to put these up here. They set really nicely and firmly so they don't bang around, and there's ties that separate them so they don't clink together and get ruined. When it's time to do your silverware, there's a lot of different theories on which way is best to load them. I always load fork tines up, spoons up, and knives down. That's generally how I load them. Our knives are very sharp, so when you go pull them up, it's best to pull them from the handle. And then these being open is a really, really good way to get them clean. Plus, they don't cradle each other, so it gives them a lot more space in which to get clean. The second rack, this one in particular has water that comes through here, and I like to use those for my water bottles because it gets way down in there. Of course, coffee cups, can't be without coffee cups. So when I load these, I make sure that I put the handle between the tines so they don't clink on each other, and it really keeps them separated. Then you have regular cups and coffee cups. Also put these here. These are liquor goblets. This is a very deep rack, so it really does tend to cradle and hold these very well. And I'm going to move these here since I am doing glass. Trying to keep these together, it just sits flat down there. And again, you're going to make sure none of your glass touches so it doesn't hit each other and break. Then we have the smaller juice glasses, which fit really nicely in there. Anywhere you can find to fit it. So that fills that rack up. And then I also have the additional third rack, which is really great. This is really great for lids, gets them out of the way. It actually is really great for spatulas. It holds them very nicely here. And then crab mallets, because we're in Maryland, so you got to have that. And things like corn cob holders, you know, it just gives you extra space to put them in, which is really, really nice. Bottle opener, and then, believe it or not, sticks. Goes right in there. Chopsticks. That way it keeps them open. A lot of people also like, you could use your silverware here, but I tend to like it for things like this. And there you have it.